Hello, my name is Cassia Hamilton. I want to share with you how I stay organized in my lifestyle. So the project I will be sharing with you today is finding a new home. So this is the before and this is the after. And I will be sharing you the steps of how I made this possible and less stressful and made it more fun. So the supplies that you will need for this project are poster boards. You need 4 of them. It doesn't matter what size, so I use 12 by 12 scrapbook papers, or you can use a more narrow poster board too. You will need gum, eraser, or a regular eraser, tape, a pencil, a pink marker, and a black pen. And lastly, little post-its. Doesn't matter what size, just as long as they're post-its. And personally, I like color, so I just picked pink. So with that said, I need to figure out what are my limitations to finding my home. So I took a post-it note and I stuck it on my board up here in this first area. And I put my budgets, personal bills, requirements, type, and city. Specifically, what am I looking for? And how I got those sticky notes on my board is I took the post-it and I folded it in half on the back, just underneath the sticky part. Fold it. Don't put it on top of the sticky or it won't work as well. So fold your crease just up to underneath the sticky part. Fold it, and then ta-da! So you're going to do with that 10 times in 4 or however many work, whatever works best for you. So now that I have my sticky notes figured out and the limitations that I need for myself, I use the resources of Trulia and Apartments app on my phone. And when I found the places that work best for me, I put that in my favorites list. And then I looked underneath the categories that they had provided and I put those categories on my little sticky notes. Now I didn't take these sticky notes down. I left them as B because they're able to travel with me. Because when I make my columns here, I want my sticky notes to travel. So I know when I write it down, I have my name, my availabilities, my expenses, and so on. And once you have all those written down and all your columns made on each page, then that's when the pink marker comes in. You can start crossing off what will not work for you. And then once you figure that out, then once you figure out the place that works best for you, then you schedule a tour. And once you get the results on the tour that you went on, you take the pen and mark on it. It's a yes or no. It has to be immediate decision because it is a first come first basis. I learned that the hard way a couple times now. So, and I understand that this is a challenging project, but I try to keep this motto in my mind: seek everyday challenges as a learning opportunity. And if you think that, then anything is possible. So this is the final result of what I did, and I kind of added little things here and there, but you can make it really your own and make it colorful and fun. So I hope this video helped you out. I had fun sharing it with you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.